You don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be.
Alright guys, so it's decently nice out here, not the best, not the worst, but today's kind of a sad day because I sold my 2003 Cummins 24 valve, but it's also a really cool day too because I'm going to be bringing you guys on an adventure, me going to get a new truck and a new car so I can replace that. I'm going to probably be getting a gas job unless I can find a really good deal on a diesel, but more than likely, especially the way it looks right now, is I'm going to be getting a gas job. So stay tuned and there'll be more videos soon. Alright guys, so I'm back over here at my dad's house right now. We're actually going to be going, me, Adam, and Bobby are all going to check out this 2005 Chevy 1500. It's got the 5.3 in it. It looks pretty mint. It's got low miles. It's a second owner vehicle. So I'm kind of excited, but we're going to go check that out. And it's pretty much it for now. I'm going to probably do a nice little walk around if I decide to buy it, if I end up getting it, but take it easy, guys. Alright guys, so back to what I was saying is last night did not go good. We got locked out of the truck, me, Bobby, and my buddy Adam. We all got locked out of the truck on the way there at a gas station. So we basically had to break a door handle off in order to get back into the truck. And then after that, we got to the truck and it was kind of late at night and it was just terrible. It was rotted out way more than I wanted to deal with. There was no exhaust on it at all. It just wasn't a good find. The guy was asking way too much and it just wasn't really a good truck. So I'm not sure. Still looking for a car too, so maybe I'll look for a car today. Give it a day or so for a couple more trucks to come on to Craigslist, but right at this point, I'm really missing the Cummins right now. Alright guys, so here's what you guys have been waiting for. Here's the reveal of the truck I bought. You guys got to take it with a grain of salt. It's a little bit rusty. It needs a few things, but it is a 2002 Chevy LB7 Duramax. The box is pretty much gone completely. The tires are in really good shape. It runs and rides great. Doesn't really need anything besides paint. On my way home, when I was driving it, I actually blew the drive shafts right off, and I had to drive it home in 4-wheel drive. So that's why I haven't been able to make a video and stuff lately. So I replaced that and, you know, added fluid to the transfer case so I didn't have any problems there. But I'm definitely going to be taking the bed off pretty soon here and sanding the whole cab of this down. Now, the nice part about this is it's actually, believe it or not, it's actually in decent shape on the inside. You know, I've seen better and I've seen worse, so it's in pretty good shape on the inside. And the floor is solid. Everything's solid on the cab. See, as where my other truck, that wasn't the case. Nothing was solid on my Cummins. Like, the foundation wasn't solid, like the floors weren't solid. Nothing was really solid. So this is a solid diesel. It's a Duramax, I know. It's an older body style. I did kind of want the cat eye, but the more and more I have this front end is kind of growing on me. So, but yeah, I stuck diesel. I kept it diesel. I wanted to keep it 100. I really liked it. And I was driving my dad's gas truck around a couple of days and it killed me on fuel. So, but here's the truck, guys, and hope you guys liked the video, and there'll be hopefully more in the near future. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update here. I'm driving my LB7 right now. I don't know where we're at exactly for videos, but I am driving that right now. I kind of have I had blow by in the motor, which kind of scared the shit out of me the other day. But I kind of touched it up. I figured out what it was. I have a bad injector. It's leaking into the fuel. When I drained my oil, it was full of diesel fuel. So I'm bringing it in tomorrow for a service at the dealership, the O-rings and everything. And hopefully that'll straighten it out. Hopefully it's not that bad of an injector, like a cracked injector or anything like that. Considering I'm driving it and I've got good oil pressure and everything seems to be pretty good on it. And there's no blow by right now after I change the oil. I might be able to do something like that. If that's not the case, and I do have a bad injector and I have to replace them myself and everything, it's gonna really take some funds out of my wallet. I actually sold my Predator 500 already. That's something I just did. I sold that. And I was gonna buy something cool for the channel, you know, something to build, either a car or another bike or something along those lines. And it just doesn't look like anything like that's gonna be happening right now. I gotta make sure this truck's good. I gotta paint this truck. I'm only painting it white. I gotta sand it down and paint it white. Bottom where the guy rhino liner, just because it'll look 100 times better if it's not rhino liner. But you know, I just, there's a lot going on right now. I want to get my bike out. This is kind of a brick in the road. I would have never bought this truck if I knew that, but that's why I got such a good deal. So basically, guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. Let me know if you guys like this camera angle, because this is how I have it set up in my truck to do like vlogs while I'm driving. But that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna probably, in this video, I'm gonna probably include my last videos I took of unveiling the truck and everything. I also want to start doing daily uploads, like full-time YouTube it for a little bit, see what it brings me, whether I can get a lot of views, whether I get some more subscribers. We're up to 19 now. That's pretty cool. But pretty much I just kind of want to, you know, go over a few things that I got going on right now. I want to get my bike out today. I want to take it for a little bit of a ride. I know it's kind of, if you guys can see the outside, it's a little bit dark out, but if I get caught in rain, I get caught in rain. It won't be the first time, it won't be the last, I'm sure of it. I hope you guys like the content. You know, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, all that shit. That really helps me out a lot on this channel. And that's pretty much it. You know, I'm just kind of hit a brick wall with this LB7. I mean, I should have known, because the injectors on these are notorious, and I doubt they've been changed. The truck was definitely used and abused, but you know, I'm gonna bring it back to life. I gotta put a box on it. This tailgate hole on one side's shot, and I absolutely hate driving trucks without tailgates in them. It's a big pet peeve of mine. And the bed's pretty much shot besides that. But when I was doing the oil change at my father's shop, it actually, the frame is 100% solid on it. There's no bad spots, no nothing. So I'm definitely going to be putting the money into this truck. The motor runs flawless, even with a bad injector, with a leaking injector. I don't think it's bad, I think it's leaking. I think it's an O-ring. One of the O-rings must have went bad on it, but I don't know. We'll find out sooner or later here, but we're just going to basically get some filming done, and I want to start doing it every day, like I said. So I hope you guys like this content. You know, the motorcycle content is coming. It's really, really close. Like I'm thinking, give me maybe another week or so, and I'll be filming on the bike, stuff like that. I can feel it in the air, but it's just not. It doesn't want to break. The weather just does not want to break here, like the rain and everything. And I don't want to bring my bike back to my house if if it's just gonna rain out every single day, you know what I mean? I might as well leave it in the garage. But like I said, guys, hope you liked everything.